पर्यटन हे गोयच्या आर्थिक उदरगतीचे महत्वाचे साधन आसा. देखून पर्यटन क्षेत्रांत गोंयांत जापसालदारकेन पावलां मारपाक जाय अशें वक्तव्य राज्यपाल P.S. श्रीधरन पिल्लय हाणें केलें. गोंयचो सोशियो इकॉनॉमिक स्तर हेर राज्या परस बरो आसा आनी गोंय हे पर कॅपिटा इन्कमाक पयल्या नंबराचेर आसून गोंयांत जावपी G20 समिटाच्या कांय कार्यावळी गोंयच्या आर्थीक उदरगती खातीर फायदेशीर थारतल्यो अशें राज्यपालान म्हटलां. 74व्या भारतीय प्रजासत्ताक दिसाच्या फाटभुंयेर समेस्त गोंयकारांक संदेश दितना राज्यपाल उलयतालो.
We must maintain all these pristine qualities and make the stay of our tourists pleasant, enjoyable and memorable. We have to ensure that tourism progresses on moral and ethical lines. As you all know that the socio-economic indicators of the state as compared to other states of the country are very impressive. Goa has the highest estimated per capita income in the country, portraying a vigorous and healthy economy. Goa has also been selected for hosting some of the events of G20 summit, which will give us an opportunity to portray our state's rich culture and hospitality. The event in the state, which is the most preferred tourist destination in the country, will provide a major boost to the state's economy, thereby handing an opportunity to showcase branding of Goan products at international platform.